Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to connect your Riot Games account or League of Legends account to your Discord profile. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is sign into Discord and select the U icon in the bottom corner to open up your profile page. Then select the gear icon up at the top right. Underneath account settings, select connections and then select the plus icon, and then scroll down until you locate Riot Games and select that. You will need to sign in to your Riot Games account to authenticate this request, and then you should be good to go. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.